What's up, guys? This is Jay Stark here, and if you're looking to change your physique in any way, whether it means gaining and putting on some muscle or whether it means to take off some fat and shut it off for the beach time, this is the perfect thing for you. Today we're going to talk about a tracking app which is going to allow you to basically check what kind of calorie intake you have per day and then make sure that your macros are on point. It depends on like whatever diet you're on. You can change it up if you have the premium version. And the app that we're talking about is what most people probably know about. It's called MyFitnessPal. I personally use it to make sure that I'm on point with my macros and with my calories, and it's helped me gain over 10 pounds of muscle in the past 2 months. And I'm pretty sure it's not just worked for me, it's worked for a lot of my friends, a lot of people that I know. And if it's worked for them, if it's worked for me, I know it's gonna work for you. So I highly recommend you guys go check out MyFitnessPal, and we're gonna have a video with Akko Stark explaining how to use it.
My name is Akko Stark, and guys, I'm gonna introduce you to
guys, I'm gonna explain to you everything you need to know about the app. So first of all, we're gonna pull it out. We're gonna go to, you're gonna see it on the phone. You're gonna see it on the screen. See how to use the app real quick. Go to MyFitnessPal. We'll go to the next day just so it doesn't record my last day. And then essentially these are the nutrients that I'm gonna be taking, the macronutrients, the calorie goal for the day. On weekends, I usually have a smaller calorie goal and then I increase it back up on weekdays because I'm gonna be working out. If you want to change your goals, you can go here and change the goals from there. You can change your amount of foods that you're eating if you have the pay for version, the premium, and then you just click this and then just adjust it however you want. If you're trying to gain weight, you're gonna want to eat at least even if you're trying to maintain weight, you're gonna want to eat at least close to 1 gram of protein per body weight. And then depending on the diet that you're in, fill in the carbs and the fat. And then whenever you're trying to add food, you just go to diary. Let's say that we're adding food, just go to the place that you want to add it, and spicy chicken sandwich. Boom, it's that easy. If you have a food group that you want to scan in, just add food. If it's got a barcode, you can just find the barcode and then get it on and then add it in. So just as a reminder, remember to know where you're at so that you can effectively go where you're trying to go. If you don't know where you're currently at and you don't start tracking your macros, then and the calories that you're eating and actually become aware of where you're at currently, you're not gonna be able to effectively go where you're trying to go. So thanks for watching this video. We have a link below that's gonna show you guys more tips and tricks with the app. And if you like Thanos, be sure to leave a like and a thumbs up. Have an awesome day, guys.